Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 25 Gooseneck Deckover Dovetail trailer. This trailer does have a gooseneck hitch with your safety chains and breakaway cables. There is a chain basket with two 12,000-pound jacks at the front of the trailer. This trailer comes with stake pockets and tie-down points along the side. There is pressure treated wood flooring on this deckover. There are two 10K axles on 16-inch wheels and radial tires. This trailer does come with a self-cleaning dovetail, as well as LED brake lights. There are heavy-duty King Kong ramps. This trailer does come with an I-beam frame. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 Gooseneck Deckover. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.